In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make dinner in less than 15 minutes and for under $1.75 a serving. So stick around. Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. I'm a plant-based RN and I follow the Starch solution. For more information on the Starch solution, I will leave the link to Dr. John McDougall's book, The Starch Solution, in the description box below. On my channel, you're going to find quick and easy whole food plant-based recipes that are made with no oil and are gluten-free. So if that sounds good to you, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, which is every Tuesday and Saturday. And for more plant-based content, you can follow me on Instagram at Chew on Vegan. And if you're new to this way of eating, or maybe you just feel like you need some more support, I started a Facebook group, and there you will find like-minded people, recipes, inspiration, and support. And if you're still not convinced that a plant-based diet is right for you, I have a free e-guide that explains the benefits of a plant-based diet. And please sign up for my newsletter. It comes out every other month, and there I discuss different topics. Some are from a nursing perspective. You'll find recipes, tips, and tricks. I will leave a link to all these resources in the description box below, so please check those out. So as I said in the intro, I'm going to show you how to make a quick, easy dinner that is budget friendly. Sometimes when you come home from work, you are starving and maybe you didn't prep a lot of things. So that's when you look to the freezer. So you always want to make sure that your freezer is stocked. So I'm going to show you how to make a quick stir fry in under 15 minutes and for less than $1.75 a serving. So let's get started. All right, this is all you're gonna need. You're gonna need a bag of stir-fried vegetables frozen. This is a 12-ounce bag. I got this bag for under $2. I've got some brown rice here, frozen. This is $3.99, but there's 3 bags in there. And then I have some peas, which I already had in the freezer, and we're just gonna use about 1/4 cup. So this is like nothing, maybe 50 cents, we'll say. And this recipe will serve 2. So the first thing we're going to do is put these frozen veggies in this nonstick pan. And then we're going to add a little bit of our peas. And then we're going to add a little bit of coconut aminos. You could also add soy sauce, but I'm gluten-free, so I like these coconut aminos. And we're just adding about 1 tablespoon. We're gonna stir that around. We're gonna put the lid on. And we're gonna let this go for about 10 minutes. We're going to check it every once in a while and stir it. In the meantime, I'm gonna throw the rice in the microwave. It takes about 3 minutes. As soon as the veggies are heated through, we are ready to eat. And when they're almost done, I like to add some spices. Now I'm not counting the spices in the cost of this because you should have these spices in your cupboard. So I'm just gonna use some garlic powder, some onion powder, and a little ground ginger. And I'm just gonna do a pinch of salt. And then we'll let these cook for another couple of minutes, and then we should be all ready to eat. So here you have your perfect 50-50 plate, and you know what's coming next. Sweet chili sauce. You can use whatever kind of sauce you want. You could use more coconut aminos, but I just do a little bit on here. To me, that's perfect. So I know it's not fancy, it's not gourmet, but you know what? It gets the job done. When you come home from work and you've got nothing prepared, but thankfully you've got stuff in your freezer, bam, there you go. Dinner in under 15 minutes and $1.79 per serving. So cost effective, budget friendly, all those things. So let's give it a taste. So this is a perfect dinner for 2. And it's one of my favorites. It's so easy, and simplicity is the key to sticking with the Starch solution. And this has everything you need here. We've got protein, we've got fiber, we've got tons of minerals and vitamins. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than this. So there's really no excuse not to eat whole food plant-based. It's inexpensive, it's quick, it's easy. You know, all my favorite things. So let's taste this. And this combination of veggies I have, I mean, there's cauliflower, asparagus, carrots, mushrooms, green beans. I mean, it's a great combo. Oh, it's even got squash in here. And I got this rice at Trader Joe's, and they have white and brown, so you could do either one. I like to have it in the freezer. Okay, one more bite. That's really good. I probably do this type of meal once a week. As you know, I'm a nurse, I work in the hospital, so sometimes I have long hours and I come home and I'm really hungry and I don't feel like messing around in the kitchen. I can have dinner ready in under 15 minutes, so it's perfect. So if you've made it this far in the video, please comment below with stir fry, and that way I know you've made it to the end with me, and I really appreciate it. And if you like this video, if you got value out of it, if you found it helpful, please hit the like button. It really helps my channel to grow. It lets YouTube know that you like these kind of videos, and that way they will spread it out to more people. So again, thank you for all your support. And remember that all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet, and what you put on your plate determines your fate and your weight. Until next time, thank you.